Okay guys, this is another quick video on my series of training from the case of Nightmare on Hostage Hills. It's my assessment and practitioner's manual for the assessment and treatment of victims of abusers, batterers, narcissists. I'm Margaret FitzGerald, LCSW, and we're looking at chapter 3. I'm only going to go through 3 points from each chapter. I'll do the extended training and put it on my website, the Maverik Therapist, where you can go and get those resources. They're not all made yet. We're getting there. Chapter 3. And there's so many tactics that these batterers, narcissists use, especially in court cases. I mean, I have like over a page. I'm just going to mention 3. We already talked about the lying in the last video. The isolating the children, and there's many ways that a narcissist batterer can do that, and the reason why they do that is to poison the children, to have more time away from the other parent or other positive influences that would reinforce the importance of their relationships with their mother. So they will isolate them, and that can either be physically, geographically, because as of now, the courts really are not holding the batterer's feet to the fire to follow the custody orders, so they get away with moving them out of state, etc., etc. So obstruction of justice is part of that. These narcissists act like they're above the law, and if the lawyers and the cops and everyone who's supposed to enforce the law doesn't do that, maybe we do need to play more of a part in that as mental health professionals. That's why mastering the knowledge, skills, and abilities to identify and assess properly these tactics by narcissists in these child custody cases is so important. And then you just document it. Let's see what else. Oh, well, this is part of their relentless pursuit of, steal, pillage, and destroy anything to keep what they perceive as their possessions, their kids. So pay attention, share this way, or it may be helpful. We'll talk more about the tactics that these narcissist batterers use in the case of Nightmare on Hostage Hills, the practitioner's manual. Because we're not taught this in grad programs or in college unless you have worked or you have personal experience with a creepy narcissist. You're not going to know. So, all right, bless you. Talk to you soon. Bye.